here at the North Beach in Bray, which was the site of the former landfill that served the town back 50, 60 years ago. And for the last 20 years I've been involved in a campaign to try stop the coastal erosion that was happening here at the North Beach, with seeing large chunks of the old landfill site getting washed into the sea on an annual basis, thousands of tons getting washed into the Irish Sea. So for 20 years I've been campaigning, putting pressure on successive governments to finally get something done. The work thankfully now is nearing completion. It's in the last phase now, which will see some grass seed being sown on the site. Thankfully we'll have no more environmental catastrophe where, you know, tons of plastics, chemicals including asbestos being washed into the Irish Sea, an absolute environmental catastrophe. So the focus now shifts to what happens here next with the site. I think it is going to be a valuable public amenity area. It does fall over into Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown's control, even though it is on the border here between Wicklow and Dún Laoghaire-Rathdown. Wicklow gave Dún Laoghaire the go-ahead to take the lead on this, but I think the public in Wicklow must have a say on what happens next with this valuable public amenity site now that it is stabilised, now that the coastal erosion has stopped. I think it will provide a valuable walking route between Dún Laoghaire right the way through Bray. Eventually, when we get the cliff walk opened up as well, it will be a valuable walking route. But it can be a whole lot more. I would be interested to hear your views, to hear what you have to say now that we've secured this valuable public amenity and stopped the environmental catastrophe. Even though it took 20 years of fighting, we've actually managed to get this done, costing several €million. But the real winner here is the public and the environment.